Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from linked list, which is called find the reverse of a single linked list. And now we will reverse it using two ways, which is iterative and recursive both. Okay, so let's say you have a linked list something like this 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this one is pointing to null, and you need to reverse it, so your linked list will become 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so and then null is pointing here. So let's check the iterative way how we will solve it. So you will take this is your head. Okay, you will take one previous node, okay, and which is pointing to null right now, and then your current is pointing to head. Okay, so now what you will do, you will run one while condition until your current is not equal to null. So you will iterate that list using current. Okay, what you will do, you will create one next pointer, and next equal to current ka next. Okay, so next will point to here because current ka next is 2, right? And then current ka next equal to previous. So now current ka next equal to previous. So now this current ka next is pointing to this previous, which is null right now. Okay, so this link will break here then in that case, because now its next is pointing to this previous. Okay, now what is next? So this one is done, this one is done. Now previous equal to current. So previous equal to current. Right now your current is this, right? So now this one will become your previous. Initially previous was null, but now previous equal to current. Okay, and now current equal to next. So now current will become this. Again repeat this condition because these conditions, because current is not equal to null. So what you will do, first you will create one next pointer, next equal to current ka next. So next will go here. Okay, so next is no more here, and then current ka next equal to previous. Okay, so right now previous is this one, so current ka next is previous. Okay, now this link is not here, correct? And then what is next? Previous equal to current. So now previous will be this, and this one will not be previous. Let me remove it from here. Okay, and then what is next? Current equal to next. So current will become this. Current is not here. Okay, still current is not equal to null. Condition true because it is pointing to 3, right? So now next again you will create one next node, so which is null, right? So next will point to current ka next. Okay, next equal to current ka next equal to previous. So now previous was this 2 right now. Okay, so current ka next equal to previous, so this one will point to this, so it will no more point to null. Okay, and then previous equal to current. So now previous will become this, and current equal to current ka next. So current will also point to null. Now if you check while condition, it is false, so you will return previous. So what is previous? Previous is 3, so you will return 3. Now if you check the links, okay, how it is. So first you have a 3. Okay, 3 is pointing to 2, 2 is pointing to 1, 1 is pointing to null. So you just reversed it. Okay, so now let's check recursive way. So recursive, what you will do, let's say you have a list 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then null. So you will run first this recursive method, let's say RR. Okay, RR method, initially this is your head, so RR method will get run with 1 is your head. Okay, this one is your head, so 1 is head. So what it will do, it will check that if head is equal to null, no. Head ka next equal to null, no. Okay, so what it will do, again it will run one RR method with head ka next is 2. Okay, whatever it comes will come in new head. Okay, and whatever it is doing after this we will come later. Okay, let's resolve this RR2. So now RR2, what it will do, again it will check these conditions. No, it is false, so it will create one new head. Okay, new head equal to, it will run this for RR3. Okay, now again for RR3, let's check for RR3. So again it will create new head, condition is false, new head equal to RR null. Okay, RR null. So now you will run this condition for RR null, and then there you will check that head equal to null, condition true, so it will return head. So head was null. Okay, so here you will get null only. Okay, so instead of new head will be your null. Return head RR null. Okay, so this one will be your null, and here head was your 3, right? It was your head. So now what it is doing, head ka next equal to head. So 3, let's check 3 ka next is null. Okay, and 3 ka next is equal to head. Okay, RR3, so it was running for null. Head ka next is null, so null ka next is equal to head. No, actually it will not go for this null actually, okay? Because here though this condition will false, na? Head ka next equal to null, so there itself it will return head. Okay, so this condition, it will not run for this null. Okay, here when you are running for RR3, that time new head okay, it will not go here itself, it will just return head ka next is equal to null, so it will return head, so it will return head from here. Head was 3, okay, so here you will get 3. Okay, now here head was 2, so it is saying head ke next ka next, okay, so head ka next is this 3 and iska next is null, okay, so is equal to head. So you are making, so you are pointing this to head itself, okay, this was your head now, so now it is not pointing to null anymore, okay, and then head ka next equal to null, so this head ka next, this one will point to null now, so you will not have this link as well. Okay, now what it will return? New head. So new head was 3, so it will return 3 only. Okay, you will get 3 here, but our list links have been changed now. Okay, you will get 3 here, and here head was 1. Okay, head was 1, so now head ka next equal to head. Okay, so head was 1 ka next is this, and iska next is null. Okay, so you are making head ka next is equal to head, so this one will now point to this head. Okay, initially it was pointing to null, now it is pointing to 1, which was head. Okay, and then head next equal to null, so now this one will become null, so this link gone from here. Okay, and then it will return new head, so new head is 3 only again. Okay, so this one will also return 3. So can you check what is your list now? So it is returning 3. Okay, and 3 ka next is 2, so 3 ka next is 2, and 2 ka next is 1, 2 ka next is 1, 1 ka next is null. So this is the reversed one, right? So that's it. Thank you.